Have you ever thought about what would happen if your dream home was suddenly underwater? Good evening, I'm your guide to secure real estate. Today, let's talk about how not to buy a home in a flood-prone area, specifically in the gorgeous city of Sydney. It's as simple as arming yourself with knowledge. Get familiar with a valuable tool, the New South Wales Flood Data Portal. This handy online resource can help you investigate any potential flooding concerns for a particular property. You just need to input the address and voila, it will show you up-to-date risk assessments and flood history. Isn't that amazing? A simple trick that can save you a lot of hassle and damage in the future. If you're thinking about real estate, then think Lux Reals. I can help you. Message me on Instagram or Telegram and together we'll chart a course for your flood-free future.